Hi, I'm Obi, the head tutor at the Camouflage Makeup Art Academy. Our programs are designed to turn creative minds into exceptional makeup artists with a wide array of skills in beauty makeup, airbrush makeup, special effects makeup, and creative hairstyling. This program is suitable for anyone from the age of 15 who wants to turn their love for creativity into a lucrative career, a side hustle, or a full-blown beauty business. We have put together a comprehensive curriculum with a lineup of acclaimed beauty experts to facilitate this learning process. This is an 8 to 12 weeks program, and trust me, there will be no dull moment in our classroom. What are you waiting for? Contact us to save your spot.